What's the deal? Morning, everybody. Morning, Green. Morning, George. Morning, Scott. The three amigos. Morning, boys. Give me 1 second. All right. Morning, everyone. Morning, Joe. Brother Joe. A blessing sent from heaven. Morning, bro. New month here today. Give me a second here, chat. Grubbing down. I was so hungry this morning. I usually never eat in the morning, but so hungry this morning for some reason. It's time to eat. All right. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Man, I was hungry this morning. Had to run out real quick. All right. What's going on? What's going on? How's everybody doing? Everybody have a good night last night? What are we doing here? What are we doing? Let me just send the Zoom link out and we'll get busy here. We'll get to work. Morning, Greenery. All right. right, I think we are good to go. Let's get this toolbar here. Hi, morning Green. Pleasure to see you here today, my friend. My good old friend, my buddy. My buddy old pal. Oh, uh-oh. That wasn't green in my text messages. All the hungry guys are in my text message. The guys who are hungry. You didn't see Scott in there, did you? Alright, cool. Alright, morning Scott. What up, everyone? Let's get rid of this. Let's do some analysis here today. So, a new month is upon us. Got a new month here. Got another month to be disciplined, right? So if you could be disciplined to your plan over the next 30 days, it's going to be a good month for you. But if at some point you decide to get off track, that's where it goes downhill. So just stay on track. Just stay on track. Yep, new month. Honestly, I think we were talking yesterday about there was a couple days left in February. I don't even know. I guess I thought there was a few more days here, but on to a new month. Short month here with February. Was a really slow month. Probably one of my slowest months in a long time. I actually went back and looked. Let me I feel like we're too big here today. Hold on one sec. Let's get this screen a little bit smaller. There we go. All right, so yeah, probably one of the slowest months I've had in a while here. I looked back on last February, and guess what? It was the same thing. I think last February we took about 12 trades, and that's not a lot of trades in a month. And then this February we took right around the same thing. 7, 8, 9, 10, like probably about 11 or 12 trades here. So March should ramp things up a bit, and we should be able to find our foot here in the market and start to see what we've been seeing the last few months, which is 1, 2, sometimes 3 trades a day. So now that we do have February past us, we are into March, and let's take a look at this monthly candle, right? So let's do a little story time here, and let's see what we got going on. So wow, so monthly time frame here, we really pushed up, hit these all-time highs. We've been consolidating a bit. Every time we kind of came up into this area, looks like we've started to reject, right? It's been a really heavy rejection zone here. Every time price did come up, as you notice, you'll see price start to reject and push down, right? Came out, reject, push down. Same thing here, reject, push down. So one thing that we believe we can say by looking left, previous data that the market has given us, is every time we've come up in this area, we've rejected. So chances are we should be able to reject and push down. So monthly candle is currently creating a top wick, obviously, because candles the majority of the time create top and bottom wicks. So that's what you see right now. And yeah, I mean, if we come up, create a top wick, if you notice, top wicks have been really around this area, right? So you have top wick, you have all these wicks, top wick. So you could expect to see a top wick, I think, somewhere in this area here, right? Somewhere in these levels up here, according to previous data here. So that's what we'll be looking for. We are pretty bullish, I believe, on the daily, but that's what we have on the monthly time frame. So you can easily see price now potentially coming down into these support levels down here like we spoke about yesterday, and man, even back down to 1650 here. Pretty crazy, pretty crazy. So let's take a look here at the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, we've been paying attention to this support here. High chance that we can retest this support. Looks like we've made a top wick. We have a bottom wick here. If we break that low on the weekly time frame, we should tap into this 1790 area at some point, but we are rejected pretty heavily. We did have closures below these levels here on the weekly time frame, right? But we do have this area here that we did not close, right, above or below. And then you also have a support there, so something to keep an eye on here this week as we continue on. It's Wednesday, right? Today Wednesday. Yep, today's Wednesday, so got 2 more days in this weekly candle. We could, break the lows and come down. I believe that's going to be about 160, 150 pips there. So we did close bullish though on the daily yesterday, which we did discuss. Now we are bullish here. We're coming up into this zone here on the daily time frame, right? So we kind of got to see what's going on here, right? We don't know exactly where price wants to go. Yesterday was a little tricky. We closed bullish at created a support, but we broke the low. So buys were really nice yesterday, but they were very hard to anticipate, especially the way candles were opening and closing. But one thing you can say is that we have created a support here, on the daily time frame, and we're trying to come and create a resistance. So where can we find that resistance? Well, we could find it up in this area. We could find it, up in this area, right? So we don't know yet exactly where price wants to create that resistance. We do know that the monthly time frame has to create some sort of a top wick at some point here, and that's what we're doing. And if we were looking in these areas for top wicks, well, what does that look like on the daily time frame, right? So coming back up to this support, man. So this is something that we can see to, at some point over the next couple days, next couple weeks, as price push back on up and break all these, resistances and create some sort of resistance here. So we'll have to wait and just keep an eye on that. Stay tuned on it and see what's going on day by day, and react accordingly. So we are bullish here on the daily time frame. Looks like we did create a bottom wick. We pushed up pretty nice here during Asian and London, and now price is in this area. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour has been pushing up here. You had a rejection, but now you have filled this wick, and we're coming up into these areas here. So let's mark this off on the 4-hour. You got a support right here, right? And at this point on the 4-hour time frame, we're kind of just in this range right here, right? We're in this range. You want to see some sort of market structure start to be formed here, but at the end of the day, we're just in this range here right now. So let's go down and scale down to the 1-hour time frame so we can get a little bit more information on what this wick is, what these highs are, what this support is, and let's see what we got going on. So right, so 1-hour time frame. We have this resistance here, which we're now breaking above, but it's not like price hasn't already been up here, right? We've been up here multiple times. We've rejected this resistance to the left hand side. So let's see if this candle at this point can do what the rest of these candles have not been able to do. 1, 2, 3 candles have not been able to close after attempting to push up past this resistance here. So if this candle can close above, and that means that this candle will do something that the rest of these candles have attempted but failed to do, then chances are this is going to be your breakout candle, and price can continue up now with the NY open like so, right? Now where's the target? Well, if we look left, what do we see? Well, we see clean traffic up until these areas up here, right? Pretty clean candles. Nice range here to trade in, and that is a 55 pip range. So definitely a tradable range. Definitely a tradable range that we could play in here. Let's take a look at what this looks like on the 30. So yep, you have this resistance here on the 30-minute time frame, a bit choppy, so we'll stay looking at the 1 hour here. We're not going to take any buys or anything at this 30 close. We're just going to wait for 8 a.m. here and you know, have volume dump into the market here for us. So if we're looking for buys today, I believe buys are going to be straight above this 1836 area, right? If we can get a closure above, then we could look to take buys going up. And if we're gonna look for sells today, well, we're gonna need some range 2 sells, that's for sure. For everything's so bullish, so you're gonna need some sort of a range 2 here, right? So I think sells will be pretty good below here today. 1827. If we can get sells below 1827, you have a clean range here, which is about, let's measure this range, about 40 pips, and then below that is even better, right? So we have over 100, about 150 pips on the way down. So if we do look for sells below 1827 here today, they're gonna have to be range 2 sells. So we're gonna need some sort of a breakout, a new range to form, and then we could look to take our sells going down. So range 2 sells below 1827, 680. Buys are pretty straightforward above 1836 here. So that's what we're going to be waiting for. And anything in this range, probably just going to stay out of today. So we'll see if we can catch these buys up here at 8 a.m. But other than that, sells are, you don't want to jump too quick on sells here today, right? This candle is extremely bullish. Sells below here would basically mean a huge rejection, and this candle will be flipping bearish. And if this candle is flipping bearish, then chances are it could break the lows and kind of do what we planned on doing yesterday, right? We talked about how Monday and Tuesday can pop up, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday can come back down, right? So potential moves for sells below this 1827 area. But buys are clean. Buys are clean above this range to fill this range up here. Now we just got to see if it plays out here for us. So that's probably going to be the move here on gold today, right? Just patiently waiting. You got sells below here. You got even more sells below here to retrace this move. If you want to take buys, looks pretty clean above here. You just need this candle to close. All right, as long as this candle closes, we'll be in for buys at the end of the hourly candle here, and we'll look to take buys. You have a wick to fill up here too at 1846, so plenty of room to drive here today. Should be pretty clean. Pretty clean here today. So you don't want to take sells below here, right? Because number one, we're very bullish. But if you take sells below here, well, you have a support off the rip. Then you got another support off the rip. Once we get below this support, then we have a clean candle to trade in. And then once we get below this support, you have even more clean traffic down here to the left. So you don't want to really jump too quick on these sells here today, because at any point, price can, on the daily time frame, continue pushing up, and that wouldn't be fun, right? So yeah, range 2 sells, clean buys above here though. So we'll see how this hourly candle closes up in about 35 minutes, and we'll look to take some positions here today. So this is going to be a no trade zone for me. No trades taken in here today. This up here is going to be a clean range. These ranges up here. and below here as well, and you know, below here also. So that's what I'll be looking to trade today. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, not a lot of confusion. 2 lines on the chart, and that's all we need here, my friends. 2 lines and ranges, right? So no indicators. The only indicators is the EYES. You can check that out in the indicator section up here. Put it on your chart. Make sure you use them every day, and you will be good to go, friend. So really, where could we go? I mean, on the daily, you know, if we want to retest this high, then we can certainly fill this wick up here, right? Or do we want to reject here, right? So that's the big question here. But I believe if we get a closure above on the 1 hour time frame, that we will be good to go to fill this range here. So see if we can get somewhat of a pullback. That way we can leave more of the range for us. But yeah, that's going to be the day here on gold. That's going to be the day. Candles ripped up pretty nicely here overnight. George, any of the UK guys, any of you guys trade London last night? Take any of that move? Appreciate you guys liking the stream, by the way, stopping by. Early morning, early worm, or early bird gets the worm, right? So appreciate you guys being here bright and early. Oh, gang, we cracked 180 subs here too, by the way. Where is it? Where is it? W. Cracked 180. We got 182 subs right now. First 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks here on the live stream. So appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. All right. So yeah, that's gonna be the scoop here on gold. Gonna stay out of this range here. No sells are good. I mean, not looking good here for sells. So let's take a look at pound yen. Do a quick analysis here. Oh, let's take a look at the monthly. So yeah, monthly is closed bullish, pretty strong here. We created a support. We have pushed up. Candle right now is creating some sort of a bottom wick, right? So you have a support here that we've created. Prices closed above these areas here as well. So I believe that we can potentially see a nice wick fill. I believe GJ will start to ramp up here now. So now that we're in the 3rd month here of the year, GJ should start to gain some momentum, and you can see that on these time frames, right? So you have a nice support, push up, next candle should continue up. If you look at the weekly, we finally broken out of this weekly range that we had here, right? We were stuck in this range here on the weekly time frame. This candle right here has officially broke out of the range, and that's why you see the next candle now pushing up. You have clean candles to the left hand side for price to continue on up. So weekly's looking pretty good. We have rejected here over the past couple days, so no big deal there, and we'll see what the daily's looking like as well. So let's take a look here at the daily time frame. So daily time frame is closed bearish. Makes sense because you still want to create a steeper bottom wick here on the monthly time frame, right? We're only a couple hours into this 1 month candle, right? So you know, you don't want to expect this candle to push up right away. So we could very well see a nice push down into these levels here to retest these supports, creating our monthly bottom wick, and that would look something very similar to this. So you have today, right, tomorrow, you know, you have price pushing down, and then a support starts to get created, right? So then you have a support here, right? Maybe a little fake out, and then you should see the monthly start to pump up at that point, right? So a lot of clean traffic here to push up here on the monthly and even on the daily. So I do believe we'll push down a bit here on the daily time frame and then create some sort of support, and that'll be our bottom wick on the monthly here, and then we should be able to continue up, break highs, and continue moving. So if we're looking for positions here though on GJ today, let's see what we got. So monthly close, daily close bearish on Monday, no bottom wick. Price has created a top wick, has been pushing down here on the daily time frame, so we are bearish. So if we're going to look to get more sells here on pound yen today, you want to see, let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour, you have a support. Looks like price is starting to see if it can close below. You have an obvious resistance. Right now, you're pretty much in this range here on pound yen, right? So you're pretty much stuck in this range, waiting for a candle to break out. Can this be the candle on the 4 hour time frame? Well, we'll find out in about an hour and 27 minutes. But looking at the 1 hour time frame, looks like we did break out, but you have to move your support down here. So yeah, I don't know. This looks a little bit, no top wick, looks a little sketchy. This candle may very well pop itself back into this range, create a top wick for its friend over here to the left hand side. So we'll have to keep an eye on this, right? We did close below here, which is nice. So if we do end up breaking the lows, we can come down into these areas. Got clean traffic to the left hand side. This range will be about a 30-35 pip range here, so not too bad. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. 30 minutes closed back above this area of support. So yeah, I think we should just hang out and hang tight here on pound yen. See what kind of market structure it gives us around, you know, the NY Open here in about 30 minutes. So you may get a 1 hour celery play, who knows? So perfect. So that's gonna be the idea here on pound yen, is to really look for sells below this area to trade up in this range. Buys aren't looking the best. You could take your buys going up above here probably for range 2 buys. Let's see what that looks like on the daily. Yeah, you'd probably be breaking this high, so I think buys are pretty safe above that area. You may even want to just put it right here. This is your daily high right here. So if we do end up pushing up and breaking that high, then I do believe that there is clean traffic to the left hand side to push price up. So range 2 buys, range 2 buys above 164.446 on pound yen today, and then pretty clean sells below here, so 163.250. This will be your break-even point, somewhere around here, which is 30 pips, and then you have this range coming down to support here at 162.300. So that is the scoop here on pound yen. Second day on your stream, and I hit the like. Hey, thank you. Yeah, if you guys could like the stream, really appreciate it. Let's see what we got going on. Let me just send the Zoom link because I never sent it in the Discord yet. Morning, Tandy. Morning, Tandy. Tandy's in the YouTube land today. Not for long. Not for long. We also have a Discord here, free Discord chat that you're more than welcome to come in and join. We're here every day, Monday through Friday, but the Discord is open 24/7. So if you guys want to join the Discord, come on in. We got a bunch of cool rooms in here. We got a bunch of good traders, a lot of new traders, but all in all, it's a fire community where everyone loves trading and all talking the same language here, which is great. Morning, Tandy.
Good morning, my boy.
How you doing, brother?
Doing amazing. How you doing?
Amazing as well.
Nice. Ready for another muggy in Florida?
Yep. Yeah, I just stepped out a little while ago. It's like, oh shit.
Yeah,
Muggy.
we are now ogre people.
That's very true. Analysis.
Yo, good morning, boy.
Johnny
Good
boy.
morning.
What up?
What's good, kid?
Chillin'.
What's good, kid? What a great day, eh? What a day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it, my friends. Let's have a fired up day. Let's be excited, right? Enthusiastic about where we're headed in life. Because you guys right now, while everybody else is sleeping, trying to get the last 15 minutes of rest in before they gotta wake up and run to work and do something that they're not passionate about, you guys are here on the stream bright and early, ready to go, ready to trace your dreams and goals, and that should have you fired up every morning, because it's all about what I used to tell John years and years ago is the separation effect, right? It's separation time in your lives. It's time to separate yourself from the masses and really set out and accomplish what your dreams and goals are. So shout out to all you guys on the stream bright and early today. Morning,
Yes,
Anthony.
sir.
And Anthony's one of them, separating himself, working all night, coming here, showing up bright and early in the morning. And that's the separation right there. Got another Red Bull today. Don't ask me why, please. I don't know. I don't even know why, man. Honestly, man. Not even sure why I'm drinking it.
At least you come to that realization before anyone else does, you know?
Yeah.
Why is he drinking a Red Bull? I already said that to myself. Trust me.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll sit here and sit on our hands and wait for this candle to close and be good, patient traders today. But chat, what's going on? How y'all feeling? You guys excited? Now you could say it's Wednesday and not hump day, right? Because you're not trying to get to Friday anymore, right? You're just living in the moment, living in the present time, and making the best of it, because you're doing something that you enjoy. You're doing something that you love, something that you're passionate about, and something that you know can pay off and benefit the future for your family, for yourself, whatever the case is. But how was that snowstorm up in New York, Johnny boy?
Man, it wasn't that bad.
Not too
Pretty
bad.
light, honestly. Nah,
A little bit different from sunny Florida, huh?
definitely.
Just a bit different. Hey chat, look at this. Our sells on US30 played out yesterday, but we wouldn't have entered these because we had no top wick on that candle there. But the idea was there. So let's break down US30 real quick too. So US30, new monthly candle, right? This monthly candle closed bearish. Looking pretty clean. The only thing I notice is no bottom wick. So no bottom wick makes a less probability for the next candle to drive in that direction, right? Because we know that when a candle closes and has a wick, well, that means that this candle now has a range for price to drive, right? This is going to be a range for price to drive in. Now when a candle closes with no bottom wick, well, there's not much of a range to drive, right? So it doesn't mean it can't drive, doesn't mean it won't drive, just means that the probability of it driving is much less, right? Look at this candle right here, closed with no top wick. price pushed up, boom, back down, no room to drop, right? So little bit sketchy there on the monthly time frame, but all in all we are bearish. It looks like we pushed up pretty heavy here, so we could possibly just be making some sort of a support, right? And then this could be a monthly fake out, candle closed below, everyone enters sells, right? Clean candles to the left. The thing is, they just didn't notice this no bottom wick, right? Because they don't pay attention to the individual candle, right? So we do, and we see that there's no bottom wick. So you could very well just see this monthly candle create a fake out and then just head back up in the range here on US30 here, right? Look at something like that. So we'll keep an eye on that for the monthly time frame, but all in all, I mean, pretty bearish according to last month. Let's take a look at the weekly. One thing I really like about the weekly is that we have finally stopped creating dojis, right? We have finally stopped creating those dojis. We have a strong bearish candle. You have a top wick. We did close below this range. Chances are by the end of the week here, we can come down and fill this range here, which is it's probably a pretty decent range. About a 576 point range here. So we'll have to see how that tunes out, but one thing you can say here is that this candle right here has finally done what these candles haven't. You see how these candles are all very weak, all doji candles, couldn't make a decision. Well, this one finally made a decision, and that decision was we are going to close bearish below this support, and we have this range to the left hand side to fill. Let's take a look here at the daily time frame. Daily celery play went down yesterday, as you guys can see, and let's see, what did we close below? So we closed below here, but we have rejected the support, right? So one thing we can see here is we have a support to the left hand side, and looks like price tapped into that area quite a few times here and rejected. So want to be careful here with that support on the daily time frame, but all in all, let's take a look at the 4 hour. All in all, we are looking for sells, right? Because we did close bearish yesterday. We broke the lows, closed below the support here, but we do want to be aware that there is a support right here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame is pushing up, and we are, so 4 hour time frame is pushing up, hasn't created any sort of resistance just yet. The only way we can officially say we have a resistance is if we get a candle to close bearish, right? Until we get a candle to close bearish, we have no resistance, my friends, right? So once we do get a bear closure, that's when we can officially say, okay, 4 hour time frame is pushed up, we've created resistance, and then we could possibly be good to, you know, come back down into these ranges here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame, see what that is saying, get some more details, and see what's going on. So let's remove all drawings, take a look. So pretty straightforward. Daily time frame is kind of in this consolidation range at this point. You have a support down here, resistance down here. I mean 1 hour time frame. So if you get a range 2 buy above here, looks pretty clean. So range 2 buys, and what I mean by range 2 buys is that you're gonna need some sort of range to be formed, right? Because we figured out a way to avoid fake outs most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time, right? So if you're gonna look for buys going against a daily bias, then you're gonna need some sort of a range too, right? So I won't be taking buys off the initial breakout here. I would rather wait until we get some sort of a range to form. And then once we do get a resistance to form, then we could look to come back down to create some sort of support, right? And then once we do finally establish a support, well, then that is our second range. And we could take our buys confidently going back up because we have sample size data on this move. And we know that if price goes against the daily bias and closes above one of our ranges, that we will wait for a range 2 to form. And when that range 2 forms, that is when we are good to go. So you would basically have a support here, a resistance there, and then you get some sort of a closure above, or you could just take your buys right off this support here. So you have, you know, pretty clean range here to tap into on the Dow here. So, and then you have even cleaner traffic above that. So that's what we'll be waiting for when it comes to buys, is that range 2. And sells are pretty good. I mean, if you close below here, should be good to drive down today. So sells below. Oh, so look at, you had the candle close. Oh no, this is the candle we need. Yeah, sorry. So sells below here, buys above here for a range 2 breakout. Already got it, and yeah, that's my story on US30, and I'm sticking to it. So look at clean traffic here on the Dow here today. So keep an eye out on US30, but other than that, we'll be looking to take positions here on gold at 8 a.m., 8:15 or so. What do you feel is more important for sells, say? Previous candle to leave a bottom wick for a range to drive, or trading candle making a top wick before entering? Both, my brother. Both. Both are as equally as important. So it's one thing to have a setup up here. It's another thing to have your entry up here. And for me, that entry consists of top wicks on previous candles. Let's say on a buy. I know we were talking about sells, but we're looking at this buy right here. So we're gonna need the candle to have a top wick. All right, something like this. Let's all right, let's say we have a top wick, and then the next candle is gonna need a bottom wick. Right, and if these two don't show up, top wick, bottom wick, they are equally as important. Well, I don't think one is greater than the other. But that's a good question. Gold, you just go back a little bit. You'll see, if you missed the breakdown on gold, just scroll back on the YouTube. You got 11 minutes till the hour candle closes, so just scroll back and take a look at the analysis. We already broke gold down, but basically, in layman's terms, we're staying out of this range here today on gold. Staying out of here, and gonna be looking to catch positions in these areas up here today and below here. But you can go back, you got time, you got 10 minutes, so you can go back, watch the analysis, and you'll hear the whole breakdown on gold.
Morning.
Jay, what up, brother?
Oh, good morning.
He's back.
Morning.
The king is back.
Let's go. What's going on?
Good,
He's
dog.
back.
I know.
They tried to
My
take
man.
My boys too.
They try to take him away. So Jay was locked up the past 3 days. No, I'm just kidding. Jay was a bit busy the last couple days. He wasn't locked up. I promise.
Not locked up, guys.
Oh man.
Jay was in jail. We had to bail him out. Now that he's out, he's back on the street.
Appreciate my millionaire friends Nick and Tandy.
Yes.
We
We made
putting up the 1.5 billion on the bond.
Yep, we made shirts for you too. Free J Sniper.
I know.
Well,
I
when-
saw the sign up on the highway. I saw it.
When you rob the banks every day, the bail is pretty high, man.
Yo.
Yup. They try to do me like Tate. They try to throw a beard on me and shit. I said no.
Uh-oh. We got a clone here.
Is this the real
You
Jay
guys see me
sniper
with
from
a beard,
before?
like a full-grown beard? That ain't me. I'm telling you guys right now.
Is this the real Jay sniper or is this a clone?
If you see me with a little porn stash like Tandy, that ain't me either, bro.
Like Kanye said, I guess we'll never know.
Oh my gosh.
I guess we'll never know. Holding one position of a buy at 1834. Nice. So you got in right around 1834 after the support. So yeah, if this candle closes above, man, your position should be sitting pretty nicely in the next 60 to 90 minutes here. Pretty nicely. Not sure if that's a valid question. Yeah, dude, that was a valid question. I know we need both for our plan. Just curious which you find more important. I honestly, I really do think they're just as important. Now the size of the wicks, right, top and bottom wicks, now that's a little bit of a different story, and that's going to be unique to each individual trade. You know, just looking left and seeing what candles have done before that. But like for instance, this candle, right, you're not expecting a steep bottom wick because you need this candle right here to respect the low, which it did. So what was this bottom wick, right? This bottom wick was 7 pips, right? But let's say something like this situation right here, man, I would need a bottom wick coming down, you know, probably somewhere in these ranges before entry. Didn't know Tandy had a Barnet on him? What's that?
Barnet?
Is that the UK slang word for stash? I don't know. I might have to shave my face and just do the stash. I think it's coming back.
Nah,
No,
you're a family man, bro. You can't be rocking the porn stash, bro.
It means
doing that.
I remember back in like the 80s, everyone had that. In the 90s.
Means your hair. Your hair, bro.
You didn't know that I had hair because I'm always wearing a hat.
Oh,
Makes sense.
not always. I don't feel like you're always wearing a hat, though.
Yeah.
Whose dream are you really building, Mr. Q Banks? Shout out to Q Banks.
Yeah, they're in the UK. Barnet. That's sick, dude. Sick Barnet today, dog.
Word. I'm gonna get a Barnet cut, eh?
Oh, Barnet.
My man's mixing UK with Australia.
Oh, that's sick.
Gonna get a Barnet cut here. So do you guys call it like a Barnet shop? Like the barber shop? Barnet shop? A Barnet cut?
That's cool. I like that.
I like that. I like it.
I like that.
Time to eat's coming to the UK. Hey, someone asked in the Discord if we have a Asian or a London session, and I told them soon. Time to Eat will be streaming all sessions within the next 6 to 7 months. So right now we're grooming some leaders, grooming some traders to run those sessions. So it's gonna take some time, but eventually we'll be all across the board on all sessions. We'll have a stream running that people can tap into and people can hang out on, and it should be pretty good. We are coming to a session near you. So can we get a pullback, gold? Can we get a pullback? If you get a close below here as well, you do have a 1 hour celery play coming in. Coming in hot. Yeah, gold ripped up overnight here. What's the deal? So we got 2.5 minutes here for the NY Open. Two and a half minutes. And it looks like it's just going to drive through this range here. I guess 15 minute might have gave you an entry here. Close above. That looked pretty clean actually. What we got. Damn, son. What else we got here? Let's take a look, see how we can take advantage. So 15 minute. Should still have room to drive. Do. Do what it do. Close with no top wick. Nothing. Nothing. Should get a bottom wick. Let's take a look at GJ.
Dude, this chart showing price appreciation on Forex, gold, real estate, and Dow Jones is just crazy since 2011. Look at this.
Wow.
The bottom line is gold.
Since 2011.
Jay, you still... Yeah, since 2011.
What's up, bro?
Sheesh.
You still have your gold, right?
And buy more.
Yeah,
He's
I wish
holding
it kind of went
strong.
down a little bit more. Should have been
Where
buying
were you
gold.
at when we were buying it at 16?
I was buying Pokemon.
17.
Oh, man.
Pokemon.
Fuck, I hope my charger makes me.
Yo. Ooh.
Gold. What about it? What about gold? Oh yeah, I forgot you're in gold. You're in gold longs. That's
Nice.
right.
Up 60 pips, 70. Very nice.
Yeah, that's what you're looking at. Gold right here. Gold. We have landed on the moon. Yeah, if GJ can kind of create some sort of resistance here, we could look to take sells back down. Possibilities, possibilities. Do, 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 do. Oh, there's your bottom wick. Nothing right now. Yeah, nothing right now. Nothing, nothing, nothing. As Mr. Raja would say, Sir Raja, nothing. Ugh. Gold taken rejection or retracement. Well, we closed with no top wick here. Could be looking at some sort of retracement to push back up. It's hard to say. Hard to say with the daily time frame here because we're very bullish, right? So we don't want to predict sells too early at this point. But we are running into this rejection zone. So you have an area here. You also have this wick, you know. So as long as we stay above this level, I think it's pretty good. Above this level here. Oh, you just say I'm gonna get a trim. Still called a barbershop. Gotcha. Gotcha. Get a trim. I'm gonna get a trim. Yeah, so remember what we talked about here. Candles with no top wicks. No room to drive. Not that it won't drive or it can't drive. Remember? It's just that it's a low probability of it driving. Instead of an 85 to 90% of it pushing up, it becomes a 50-50 at that point. And me don't like no 50-50. Me don't like 50-50. 50-50 is gambling. Would really like to see a rejection here on GJ. In terms of gold though,
Yo, so a quick question. Did anybody ever do the simulation session?
actually, me and Uncle Scalp did a quick one.
Oh, thanks for the invite, asshole.
But it was quick and it was last
No,
minute.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, but I think this week we'll set it up.
Yeah, sure. I'll just wait for Jesus to touch down first.
Well, get ready because he's coming, bro.
Oh, I know. Sooner than your link to the simulation session.
Yeah, chat. We might do a simulation sesh, so everyone
Hold your breath, though.
Everyone is free to join this weekend. I'll let you guys know for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't hold your breath.
For the weekend. He ain't gonna come through.
Yeah, possible simulation session on Saturday or Sunday this weekend.
Yeah. We all say that.
It was very, very last minute. And when I say last minute, it was like
just like setting up your stream, right? Very last minute.
It was like
so here. All right, cool. I got you.
It was so last minute that it was legit like, yo, I'm about to set up a simulation in 1 minute. You guys down?
1 minute. There's no point in sending a link on the Telegram because it takes way too long. It takes way too long.
Yeah, but maybe we will do one this weekend. We'll see. It was pretty fun.
My man is hurt.
Dude, I'm telling you, he was like, oh yeah, no, for sure. On Friday, for sure. We go simulation. On Saturday, I woke up. I was like, oh, nothing on Discord. In the afternoon, oh, nothing on Discord. At night, nothing on Discord.
Hey, Jay, not to switch the topic, but bro, you should come to Florida for the FX Summit. I think I'm going to be going. And guess who's going to be there?
We ain't switching the topic, bro. We ain't switching the topic.
Guess who's going to be at the summit?
Let's switch the topic, bro. You said that you were going to be here for Christmas, Jay.
Word.
No.
Yeah, let's go with that.
And then New Year's? You said New Year's?
Because I couldn't go, though. I told y'all boys I couldn't go. Like, I had a ticket, and I still have a ticket.
Where's my friend?
He's got that insurance. That reschedule.
I bought it for that reason. But you're right, though. I could use that ticket to go down there for that. When is that? March?
That is in, honestly, I forget the date. But our boy Raja is going to be there, so.
Oh, no way.
He just made the decision for me.
Ted?
Yeah, he may do a, what does he call them again? Like an in-person course too?
Oh,
a boot camp. He might do a boot camp too, which honestly I'll probably go just to get a chance to meet him and chill with him. Yeah, I can't, I think it's May. I think it's in May. Were we in a entry on gold? No. Nope. Yeah, the boy Raja is gonna be in town.
It's Miami, right?
Yeah, yep.
How much are the tickets? 200?
Yeah, I think they're like $200. I think they have like a couple different type of tickets that you can get.
How many days? Just 1 day? 2-day event? Weekend?
I think it's a 2-day event, yeah.
Through the 11th. So I guess 3, 10, 11.
Yeah, I believe the like the just general admission to come to get in and like get a seat is like 150 or $200 or something like that. So not bad, Jay. Save your ticket for your plane ticket for that.
It's saved already, bro. I don't have to do anything else to it.
Okay.
$350.
$350?
Oh, for the event?
For what? General admission?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it went up.
Is that single day or like that's a 3-day pass?
3 day.
Oh, okay, that's not that bad.
So what's that? Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, I think, right?
Yeah.
Not bad at all. I mean, 300 is a little steep for just a regular ticket. Where is it? It's gonna be in Miami.
But if you get the elite access for $750, you get to go to the rooftop for the super car show.
Yeah, I think Uncle Scalp got that one.
Thick. Uncle Scalp has that one, dog. Dude's loaded.
Yeah, I might go stay with him because he already has a. He already booked the hotel and everything down there. Oh, when? When is it?
June 9th through the 11th.
There you go. June 9th, 10th, and 11th.
Oh, you got some time too. That's March or June. Yeah.
Hey, we got time, gang. We might even be speaking at that event. We might get in there for free.
Yeah, don't buy your tickets yet.
Yeah, maybe not this event, but next event. You know, I got a little goal to show out at the FX Summit. Maybe speak on stage, maybe have a vendor down there, be selling some merch.
I'm working on a new shirt right now.
Yeah, Tandy's working on the merch right now. Got mouse pads, hats. Wow. Everybody versus birds. Got mouse pads, hats, hoodies, tees, all that good stuff coming. Life is bullish. Might see if I can come. Yeah, definitely. See if you can come. I know it's a bit of a flight for you, but when to take entry on gold? Aren't you already in gold?
You want support?
You got entries up here, right? I mean down here. 1834. I remember.
He's a thunder buddy. He's scared.
Yeah, you want to make sure. You want to make sure gold stays above here. Anything above there should be clean to continue driving up. Right now we're retracing on the 15-minute. Probably come down, create some sort of a support down here to push back up. Possibility. Again, new entry from you. Where'd you get the first entry from? We probably got like eight or 9 live streams going right now. Everyone's live streaming. What channel did you get the first entry from? Man, it wasn't like this 3 years ago. You couldn't just jump on. I think Raja was the only one with a channel at that point. But now, which is really very good and helpful, right? You have a lot of good streams. A lot of streams. That's funny though. Pretty fun. Hey, yo, we got John Jones fighting this weekend, I believe. Right, Joe? Where's Joe? He's definitely still in here. John Jones, the return of Mr. Jones.
I'm taking steroids. Right now.
Oh, you're looking to take profits? I mean, I personally would have taken profits when this candle closed with no top wick. But that's just me. So that was kind of your opportunity to close out profits. I think at that point you were, I'm not exactly sure what your entry exactly was, but let's say it was at the close of this candle at 1834, you were about 55 pips up. That's probably where I would have closed about 90% of my position when that candle closed with no top wick. Yeah, Jones for the heavyweight title. I'm looking forward to watching that. Might have to hit up Buffalo Wild Wings for that. What do you say there, Tandy? Jay, you do have a ticket. Fly in.
When is that, John?
That's on Saturday.
You got any money on that fight?
I don't, but
There's no point in watching.
there may be some peeps in the chat. Joe Stewart might have some money on it, but I'm not too sure.
Good man. That's the only way to watch sports nowadays, bro. If you're betting on it, no, what you doing? Watching
Don't
it
give
for
Joe
fun?
any ideas.
You guys get paid to have fun? Oh, that's cool.
I've never even heard of the other guy. Cyril Gain?
I believe he's the champ. but I'm not too
Heavyweight?
sure. Don't quote me on that. You'd have to ask Joe. He knows more. But yeah, a lot of good fights coming up here in March. Seen Adesanya's fighting again as well. Usman, right? Usman's fighting. Edwards. Yeah, Jones is the GOAT. Adesanya, Jones, Usman. Those are like my three favorite. Those are three beasts in the game. And that other dude, that short dude, the little guy, is fighting for a belt too. In May. May 6th, day after my birthday. Joe might fly back in for some New York Yankees versus Tampa Bay. John, I don't think you're coming for that trip, buddy. You got obligations back at home.
That's facts, you're right.
Joe's coming on a solo ride. You guys watch UFC, chat? Who in the chat watches UFC? What is your setup for gold now? Still same thing as before. Same stuff. Gold is pushing down now, so we don't know where gold wants to go just yet. So we really gotta wait for this 30-minute candle to close in 11 minutes and 24 seconds. Bit choppy down here for gold in this range, so staying out. But yeah, what I would have done is I would have closed the bulk of that position here at that previous 1 hour close, because like we talk about all the time, no top wick, no range there. Chances are you're going to see a pullback at that point. I try to watch when I can, but main events are very early. Yeah, I bet. Joe, what time is that fight? Is that like another midnight fight? Hey, Green, you should fly in May. I mean in June, bro. We'll roll out to the FX Summit. Get your tickets now. We'll get the merch by then, for sure, and we'll go down there with our time to eat merch. Representing. I'm gonna be on that stage speaking. Maybe not this event, but next year. Damn, midnight, 12:30. Damn, dude. That's rough. I don't really stay up past like 9:30 anymore.
Same here.
That actually ain't bad for you, Jay.
Yeah, no.
That's like 9:30.
Fight?
Yeah, 9:30.
Yeah. I don't even watch that though, so. Obviously.
Green, let me know if you want to come down. You can meet me in Miami. Fly into Miami. I'm attending your live stream today for the first time. Well, we are really happy to have you here. I really do appreciate your interaction here as well. And very nice trade, by the way. Very nice trade. So if you're waiting for another one from us, we're just sitting here waiting right now, being pretty patient. See if we can get some sort of support formed here like we spoke about. But you do have 820 coming in, so you should see some volume right now. maybe that was the volume. The comics open. So potential support to form here, and then another leg up. Kind of just like this. Push up. Retrace. Get a support. Push up. I'm a beginner. Oh, okay. Well, congratulations on starting your career in trading. By the way, maybe one of the mods can hook it up and put the Discord link, but yeah, join our Discord as well. If you have any questions, since you're just getting started with trading, you're more than welcome to come into the Discord. And oh, we got another friend here. Oh, D. The D. Shout out to D. Whoa, pause. Appreciate you joining the Discord. But yeah, come on in. We got a beginner's question section as well. So any questions that you do have, you know, we also have just traders chat room. We have all the good stuff here. London, Asian, London, New York session. Oh, we gotta talk about this too. Is Mr. Mullins on the stream just yet? Thank you, Green. Thank you, sir. But blow up your account yesterday, 100. Yeah, nah, that's about right. Don't beat yourself up too much. We all blow accounts, especially in the beginning. But the link to the Discord is right here, chat. So you guys can feel free to come on in the Discord, and any questions that you have, feel free to pop them in the Discord. But don't worry about that blown account. It's gonna happen. You're a beginner, right? If you're starting something new, you're obviously not gonna be the best, right? If I decided to learn French tomorrow, I'm not gonna be fluent in French in the first week, first 2 weeks, first 3 weeks. I'll probably sound pretty stupid, right? Probably mess a couple words up. But if you stay at it and you stay consistent, over time you'll be pretty fluent. And the market is a language, my friend. So once you do learn the language, you'll be good to go. Just give it some time. Don't rush it, just give it some time. Don't be like me, where I would risk like 20% of my account. Made money, right? Good money, but you don't want to do that. Get a rule-based system down. You're more than welcome to jump on our streams every single day, and you know, start to learn our system. And yeah, should be good to go in a couple months. Yeah, tune in every day. You'll start learning. You'll start speaking the language. Yeah, so what you want to see here on gold is some sort of support being created here. We got 5 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. Should have a lot of volume dumping in. If we do get a support here, we're going to be looking to take buys coming up, because we are above this range here, and we should be good to go. And this is this entry right here is a much better entry than this one up here. Right, so now we can actually fill this range, come on up. You know, here we run into some issues, you know, but if we're entering off of down here, you have a nice range to fill here today. Hey, if anyone knows how to create a good thumbnail, let me know. Shoot me a message on Instagram. My IG is right here.
My dog.
You good, Tandy?
Yo, yeah, bro. I told you to send me that picture.
Oh, I thought I sent it to you.
No.
Alright. I'm gonna take a
Dude,
new one. I'm gonna get a new one.
Perfect timing too, because I just got a new. Anyways, it's new. I can do it super good.
Alright,
Yeah, what
perfect.
about mine?
Maybe I'll go get a haircut today and we'll create a thumbnail.
Yo, I got you that
Pre-
bull and the bear thing. I got you. I got
Don't
you.
worry about it, bro. Yeah, because I got it in my email right now.
Oh, bet.
True. I'll promise.
We should just put my picture, my face on this time to eat joint right here.
I can make you into
Split.
a caricature.
You should.
You can make what?
You into a caricature.
Okay. Maybe we'll do it. Appreciate you, Tandy, as always.
I got it, bro. I'll make you a really good thumbnail. I promise.
Bet.
Hey, yo, dude. I could feel it, bro. Dude,
I can feel it.
feel it. I promise. I'll send it to you before the end of the night. Before day end.
Before day end.
My day or your day? I'll say my day, so you got more time.
I'll say
So by 3 a.m. today.
Australia, bro. New day.
Perfecto. Just looked at prices to fly to Miami. Not even that bad. Might come with my brother. That'd be sick. Yeah, that'd be dope.
What is it? 800-900?
Yeah, I don't know. That's not bad though.
It depends on where you're flying in from, too.
Yeah, fly into Miami International Airport. Bro, focus on the chart. Bro, we're focused.
Damn.
You want me to
son.
just sit here like this?
Bro, focus
Okay.
on the chart,
All right.
bro.
I'm locked
Look at
in.
your trades here, bro. You're talking smack.
Jay.
Yeah.
I'm focused on this chart
Focus
right
on the
now,
chart.
bro. Just
Focus on the
chill
chart.
out. I'm here. I am watching.
Bro, stop talking to me. You're not letting me focus on the chart.
1 minute and 13 seconds left. All right, bro. I'm focused, man. I'm focused.
Oh, man.
Oh, let me wipe my glasses here.
I wanted to buy. It's a buy. No, sorry. It's up.
All right, I'm in.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, just everyone be quiet.
Focus. Turn that music off. I can't-
Focused. Don't blink. We're focused, brother. We're focused.
Damn, son.
We
that
got
was impressive.
we got 43 seconds
That
to
was,
mess around here.
my man was like, yo, stop talking shit and focus on the chart, bro. I'm trying to
Because we're waiting for a support, right? So we can't get a support until this 30-minute candle closes, right? So same thing with GJ. We're waiting for a resistance. Oh, what do you know? We might have a resistance. But in the meantime, you want us to just stare at the chart?
Yeah.
I mean, we could do that. If that's what you want me to do, I'll do it. You just tell me.
You're on TikTok?
Are you on TikTok?
You're on TikTok?
All right, we got a closure coming. Boom.
Nice.
So we have closed above on the 30-minute time frame, but we did close bearish. We did close bearish as well on the 15-minute time frame, and the 1-hour candle is still open. So not much we could do here. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen closed bearish, rejection. If we can get a closure back below this range, then we should be good to go. Want to see something like this on GJ here. This candle will close below, and then we could look to take sells coming down. But we need a closure below. We're gonna need a closure below. And gold, yeah, gold did close above, but really nothing here on any time frame, right? We need to get these time frames all on the same communication station. So nothing yet, my friend. But I promise we're focused. Let's take a look at the Dow here. The Dow US30 has pushed below this support, closed below, but no bottom wick. What are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do? What are we gonna do? But yeah, so we're still gonna wait here for this support. So if we can get a candle, this 15-minute candle, to push up, create a support, and then if this next candle respects the low, we could possibly look for entries to come up. So something like that, all right? As of right now, there's nothing to do. $1,100 for the flight and hotel. Oh, for the hotel too? That's not too bad. I was gonna say $1,100 for the flight. Damn. Flight and hotel. Where are you planning on staying? I think we have. Well, I don't have it, but Uncle Scalp has it. A hotel in Sunny Isles, maybe? I forget. I think that's what he said. Nothing. $184 subscribers. Appreciate you, chat. First 2.5 weeks. Can we get to 200 today? Can we get to 200 subscribers? If we can do that, that'd be awesome. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Subscribe, turn your notifications on, all that good stuff. We're here every single day, 7 a.m. to about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gold is just ranging here. Nothing really we could do in this zone. Nothing we could really do.
Alright, yo, boys. Catch you tomorrow.
All right, John.
Man.
Have a great day, bro.
Alright.
Enjoy it. I'll see you later.
I bet. Peace.
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 Yeah, pound yen here. Want to see a candle close below. Doom, doom, doom. Green, you feeling the music or what? It's all for you, my brother. It's all for you. If it was up to me, I'd have that other joint on. What was that other joint? I'll bring it back for you guys. I'll bring it back soon. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. I have a fave already? Do you? Do you? I'll let you know when it comes on. Alright, bet. Bet. Some good guitar in this one here. Guitar. Can you guys hear the music on Zoom too, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Is the music too loud?
No.
No?
No, this is actually really good. I think the other playlist, dude, there was like spots where it was
Word.
just like super, super loud.
All of a sudden it was just like whoa. What happened there? By the way, we have some news here at 10. ISM PMI. I don't know if we spoke about that yet, but 10 a.m. So let's see if we get some entries here before that. Yeah, 1100 for flights and hotels is not that bad at all, especially coming from overseas. Gotta close below, man. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Is this it, Green? Is this the song? Nah, I don't think this was the Green song. Ah. Nope.
Is it playlist?
Huh?
Is this the same playlist as before?
As yesterday. As all week so far. You guys hurt my feelings last week. Had to dig deep for a new playlist here. Had to dig deep. He'll kick your leg off. $15 watching. Let's get it to 1,500, man. Let's get it to 1,500. Hey, you didn't have to delete the message. It's all good. Oh, damn. US30 should come down, tap this support here pretty soon. It's driving. You got the last 15 minute coming up here on this 1 hour, 4 hour, 30-minute time frame. Very nice 4-hour candle here though on US30. Should be good. Let's see what's below the support here. Wow, look at that 1 hour candle. It's destroyed everything. Well, we were right on the money with sells below. Just no bottom wick. Let's go, GJ. All right, gold now pushing back below here. Holy. Let's take a look at gold. Four-hour pushed up pretty nicely there. Potentially leaving a nice little wick fill. So we got 16 minutes here, 15 minutes. You're expecting a pullback here on the 4-hour. Wow, look at that. No top wick, no range to drive. That's why you see this candle now pushing down, breaking lows, poking back into this range here. So we don't just say things here to say it, chat. We have seen this over and over and over. All right, if you would have got a little FOMO and entered as this thing was popping up, I mean, not a good look. I woke up in beast mode. Yeah, I'm gonna try and stay up for that John Jones fight though. All right, GJ. All right, all right. So the reason I didn't take a sell off that resistance is because you had a lot of support here. But if we do get a close below, that'd be pretty nice here. Very nice. If that 30 respects support to the left and the 15 closes back into the range, buy is going to be valid. Clean candles to the left should drive pretty nicely. Are we talking about gold? So if this 30 candle closes, respect support to the left, and 15 closes back into the range, buys are going to be valid. Yes. Yes. Yep. So that would be a pretty much a fake out. That's why we don't take sells going against the bias, right? It could be a fake out here. 15 closes back in the range, we'll be in there. We do have the 4-hour candle closing. So you have a new 4-hour candle starting. Let's take a look here at the 4-hour. So I think as long as this 4-hour candle can, let's see, we got this area over here, right? So I think as long as this 4-hour can close above this area, which if the 15 closes back in the range, it should close like right around here, then the 4-hour is still good to drive. But I'm definitely expecting somewhat of a bottom wick before our push up to fill this wick here. But yes, that would be a valid idea. Wicks come down into this range for the most part, so expecting a wick to be a bottom wick to be formed somewhere in these ranges, 1832 area. So if we get that and then we flip, we'll be good to go. Good eye, good eye. This could be a 1-hour fake out as well. Oh, 15. Yeah, you want to see this 15 close back up. I like to know. 15 fake out, yeah. Mr. Nikolowski in the building. How are you? Good to see you here, my friend. Nikolowski for 3. Bang. What's going on? You doing great? Good. Good to hear. Good to hear. Glad you're doing great, my friend. We got 10 minutes here. So yeah, it looks like we should be able to 5 close bullish, create support. If we can close back above here, that would make total sense on the 1 hour, the 5, the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. So when all those line up and we get our entry and our setup, then we are golden. We will execute that trade. Doing great. The first of the month. Man, this was nice here on pound yen. 30-minute move was pretty nice. Yeah, 4 hour. Everything looks good to go down here on GJ. We could target the support down here. It's gonna need a top wick and then a flip, and then we'll be good. Well, what do we got here? 8 minutes. Let me go get some water. BRB. Be right back, guys. Anybody need some water? Y'all good?
Please.
GJ, nice. Oh, nice, GJ. Dumping back into. And you know this, man. Gold. Gold. All right, 2 minutes. Oh, perfect. Look at this. Perfecto. 15-minute fake out. Very nice. Let's get this GAT ready. Get my magic keys set up here. All right. Very nice here, gold. Nice rejection. Stayed above that area here like we talked about. 4-hour candle is going to close above this range here. Very nice. Very nice. Lock it in here, chat. Now we'll focus. All right, here comes the open. See if we can make a little bit of a top wick and then come down to create a bottom wick. That'd be nice. Man, we got good moves here on both pairs. No bottom wick on the 1-hour candle though, so gonna have to wait on GJ. Gold, we need a bottom wick. Gonna need a bottom wick here, chat. Yeah, nice closure there. We got a bottom wick now, tapping down into this area here, then we can take buys on the break of the high that it's created. Patience, chat. No FOMO. We're only 3 minutes into this 4-hour candle here. Everything's in our favor besides this 1-hour candle. What about gold? Tell me. Gold! Tell me! I already told you. We're waiting for a bottom wick here. We have a new 4-hour candle, right? So I'm not sold on this bottom wick. If that's the bottom wick, it is what it is. But that's a 3-pip bottom wick, so probably gonna wait for a better bottom wick, and then we could re-enter on the break of the highs or the flip of the candle. That's what I'll be waiting for here. If it drives, it drives. Nothing we could do about that. But yeah, that's what we're waiting for here on gold. Really need to see a bottom wick. Four-hour candles haven't really had the biggest bottom wicks though. But we're not just gonna rush into a trade if we don't have what we're looking for here.
How was your
Good. You want to say hi to everyone? Let's say hi. Say hi, everybody. See Tandy and Jay up there? Say hey, everybody. Say I just woke up.
Hello, Miss Leia.
Lele's in the building. Okay, come on. I'll be back. Gotta love the little ones. Is gold gonna give us that bottom wick or what? Lele. Yeah, so yeah, we're waiting for a bottom wick here on gold. If we can get some sort of a bottom wick a little bit steeper than that, come down, retest this zone here, we'll look to take positions on the break of the high again. Alright, because you have a low, a high, a new low, a higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, where is going to be our new low? Right? Do we believe it's going to be here? Are we going to rush into a trade just because we haven't taken a trade today and haven't taken a trade this week and break our rules and get into this trade? Or are we going to wait to see something that we can recognize? That a pattern that works, right? So we need to form a new low somewhere. So that's what we're waiting on here on gold. Everyone's saying hello to Alea. Yeah. Lele Bug. She's the best. She's the best. Let's take a look at US30. How do we close? $15-minute candle is coming to a close here in a few minutes. Hey, good morning, Tassie. How are you today?
Green, you can't do it like this, my boy. Look at that.
Oh,
The
snap.
The brekkie bagel.
Oh, damn.
This is that ECB, or whatever you guys call it. ECB.
BEC?
Yeah.
What's on it? What's on it?
Bacon, egg, cheese.
There you go.
Yo.
That's a Becky right there.
That's a Becky. Hey. That's a Becky.
That boy's got a Beck. Salt, pepper, ketchup or no? SPK?
Yo. That thing big, my boy.
That thing is big. Damn. Takes up your whole screen almost.
That's that 5 egg.
Oh.
Big old Becky.
Oh, damn. Yeah, 5 egg. That's the only way to go, huh?
Yeah.
You're going to make Green hungry here.
Yeah, he's about to make a charcuterie board.
Who knows what Green's doing right now, man? That dude's juggling around, chopping up chicken, putting it on the pan, steaming up broccoli. That man, he'd be doing it all.
when you
cut.
I don't. I'm getting further and further away from the cut, dude. Honestly, I'm supposed to be like 1 month in on the cut, but had some tiramisu last night, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Green, you cutting right now or what?
Yeah, what are you doing, my boy?
Green's on his game, though. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that.
Number 2025.
Damn, Green.
Nice, dude. Making sure that the bulk is in full effect. I like it.
Damn.
I mean, honestly, I feel, I've been bulking for 2 years now. So, is it really a bulk?
Them boys are bulk. Is it really a bulk or is it a lifestyle?
Yeah.
Gotta get as big as I can. Nah, when Green cuts, he's shredded. He's a good looking man when he's all cut up. Two days away. What we doing here, Gold? What we doing? Bulking season. Summer 2025. Damn, dude, you're gonna be swole by that point. Holy. Holy. After 20 minutes, we see the move. Yup. Yup. You took GJ sells. Nah, we wanted them though. I was looking for a closure below here. We could have took it off this exhaustion wick here, but didn't really have a bottom wick and a lot of support right here to the left, so figure we'll wait to the close below. Yeah, they were pretty nice. They were pretty nice. Yeah, clean traffic down here to retest that support, which was pretty clean. And what do you know, chat?
Oh,
Damn, you slowed that thing down already, dude?
dude,
Holy.
I don't.
My boy
There's
went
too many. It's kind of gross.
My boy went off cam for like 3 minutes, slugged that whole thing down.
Oh no!
Uh-oh, spilt it on his shirt.
All over the laptop.
So this very well may be the bottom wick. So we came down, we did not break the wick. This could be our bottom wick here. So we got 10 minutes left in this 30 minute candle here. So we're gonna wait for that and then look to take positions. But very nice exhaustion wick to the downside. Candle has not broken that low. We can get in on the break of this high right here, but I'd rather wait for this candle to close on the 30. And that way we have volume on our side and look to take this position all the way up here. But we came down, we didn't break the low, so that tells me that that could be our bottom wick if we re-break the high. We'll keep our stops below this candle here, and yeah. Stops are going to be below here. TP is going to be up here. Probably go risk free right around this area. Doop, doop, doop. Pound yen pushing back up here. Let's hope this 4 hour don't run on us here. Trader's Domain is in a little bit of trouble here, huh, Jay?
What's the lawsuit against Ted?
Something like that's going on.
Yeah, I heard about that. My account's still working. I'm trading on it. So
Are you able to withdraw?
It's still good. Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing wrong there.
Yeah, supposedly a lot of bigger accounts are getting affected.
Oh, like pulling out millions and shit?
Yeah, like 6-7 figures.
Oh, well. It's a good thing I'm only pulling out a couple hundred, just 1,000. My shit will pass.
you
Everybody
go.
else? Oh, $1 million? Oh, I'm sorry. I can't give that to you. We don't got the money for that right now. Yeah, no, I saw that. But one of my buddies who trades like a larger account and on Trader's Domain, he was able to withdraw. I think it was like 60K, and it went through. So I don't know. It's probably some people. I'm not too sure.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. There is people that have issues. There is some people. I did see the article that, you know, fucking SEC or the Canadian trading whatever is trying to.
They're probably just trying to knock Ted for exposing the elite.
It's like, oh no, Ted, we need all those broker fees.
Remember what you said, Ted, about the Illuminati? Well, now we're gonna hack your account. Green wants to know if you were able to receive your Did you take a withdrawal at all, or not yet?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Took
Okay.
out $300. $300 came into my Coinbase account.
Okay.
Good. Yeah. So it works. I did it through TRX, the RC token. So
Gotcha.
it went through. You paid a fee, but it went through. Now, Green, I didn't pull out $1 million, so I can't tell you if that shit still holds. But anything under $1,000, I think it should be money. I mean, I'm not too sure about the whole thing, but I have been hearing people talk about it. So it's still working.
All right, we got 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. Let me get set up here. So stops are going to be kept below the 30-minute candle here. Entries are going to be at the break of the high here. So 29 pips stop, and then TPs are going to be up here for like 60 pips. Or 23 pip stop for about 40 pips. Yeah, you might see a push, right? You might see some volume. So stops are going to be below. Entries at the break of the high.
What?
Yep. Tandy, go walk the dog. It's 9:30. So I haven't set them yet. I'm gonna wait for the candle to close here in a minute. Hopefully we don't close with no top wick. Not really expecting the steepest bottom wick here. We should have volume dumping in.
Oh,
15
no.
seconds, chat. Lock it in. Trade's gonna look something like this. Oh, not like that, like this. All right. All right, chat, gonna have some buy stops here. So buy stops at the break of the high. See if we can make a nice bottom wick. And see if we can get activated here. All right, so I've been activated, so got into some buys here at the break of this high. Stops are below this 30-minute candle. Full TP is going to be up here, and probably look to move stops to break even right around this area. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Got into, nice, Anthony. Very nice. Oh, what's that? What's that about? Do, 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 do. Nice little 5-minute celery there. All right, gonna look to move stops to BE here, chat. Making this a risk-free trade at this point. And probably gonna close half of my position here as well. All right, there we go, we're running. And let's see if we can get this thing to drive now. Got about 15 pips, 16 pips, 17 pips. So risk-free trade at this point. Stops are at BE. And let's see if we can get this 4-hour candle to run. Break this wick and push up. Nice trade.
I'm walking the dog in the car.
Oh
so
snap! He's driving the dog.
it should run really hard right now. He's just running by the side of the car. I got a leash in hand.
W, Joe. We should break this high now and keep on pumping.
Sorry, I didn't really see. Is it full TP 1845?
Yeah, so I'm gonna manage risk right here at 35 pips, and then I'm also gonna leave a runner. So basically at this point I'll close another half, which will basically be 75% of my position, and then I'll probably close up full right around here, about 70 pips.
Sweet.
Did we break? No, we didn't break the 4-hour high just yet. So we're filling the wick here. Let's see if we can break this high. Do, 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 do. Pump it, Goldie, pump it. Come on, Tandy's walking the damn dog. Don't play with us today.
We're going 40 miles per hour right now. He's running.
We should get the push we're looking for. Daily candle has this resistance, has this wick to fill, so should be good. But so far that is the trade. Closed partials, made this risk free because we're coming up to this resistance. And now let's see if a runner can run. Can we get a runner? Can we get a runner? Here we go. Put my stop up at 1843. I mean my TP. So basically when this area gets tapped, actually once we break this 4-hour wick, I'll probably close another half here. There we go, should start running. Yeah, I'm gonna close another half of the position right here. Oh, perfect.
Money play.
Beautiful trade.
Beautiful. Very nice.
W's chat. That's 24 pips there.
Big
Got
W,
90 here
bro.
at 1841.
We've broken the wick. Now let's see if we can keep pumping. Patience pays, my friends.
All right, who sniped that at the support though? Who got it at 1835.36?
Just you, my man.
Still like perfect trade, great trade.
Perfecto.
Still running too.
Yeah.
Tandy, you in this, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we're moving along pretty well here. Close partials here, close partials there, and then we'll see if we can get that full TP. I'm about 80% of my position is out because I hit close half twice by mistake. So I'm pretty much fully out of, almost fully out of this one.
I gotta get to work though. Amazing day.
Yeah, brother, do
See
your
y'all
thing.
tomorrow.
Yep, do your thing, bro. Good work.
All right, my man.
Do it, Tandy.
Later, Tandy.
Peace.
See you, chat.
Later, Pete.
Hey, chat. Spam the chat with W so I can make a little Instagram post. And if you guys can for this trade, tag me on IG. Tag me on IG.
I'm gonna tag him.
Spam the chat with W's for me.
There you go. Hold on, let me get on YouTube too. I'm gonna spam too. Hold on. Get on here. Nick, you holding or you out?
Nah, I'm still holding here.
Nice.
W's. Awesome. If you guys took profits on that trade, like the stream, tag me on Instagram, I'll repost it. Good work. Good work, chat. Yeah, very nice. I think we've seen, what, 30 pips on that full? I think we got, what did we get there? 27 pips. Pretty nice exit there. I'm happy with it. Pretty happy with that. Now it's either full TP or BE at this point. Whatever price wants to do, I can care less. Let's see what we secured here today. About 1,400 bucks so far. So let's see if we can get this thing to run. I got in at 1837. Okay, nice. So you got, oh wow, so you're all the way in down here. Nice, George. Good work. Okay, that's why you got 60 or 30 something pips. 1,500 bucks.
The freaking money buys were at 1836, 1837. That's support.
Yeah,
so
this
reclaimed it.
This was nice right here. This 30-minute support positions right here. That was pretty nice. Only thing is, your stop was pretty steep unless you were going to use current stops, which was only 8 pips. So
you could go down to the 15-minute and you can clearly see the support once it breaks out.
let's take a look. Yeah, that's true.
You see, you have your support there. The bottom where it came back, retested your support where it says bias above here.
Yep, right there.
Once that candle broke the high, you could have been in there. Stops underneath the support where you have your lines and fucking run it.
Why didn't we get in? Was there something up there? I forget.
I don't think you were watching the 15-minute.
No, I wasn't, but we were watching the 30. I can't remember. Oh, it was the new 4-hour candle. That's right.
It was the new candle. Yep.
Yeah, we were questioning that bottom wick. Yep, that's why. All goody. Those weren't my pips. Y'all can have them. Jay, George.
I appreciate
These were my
them
pips. These were mine.
Been a couple weeks.
Bro, it's been I haven't taken a trade since Friday, right?
I haven't taken a trade since February. The
So,
ending of February.
First day of March, baby. We are back on the board.
First day of the month.
We got W's back on the board here.
Oh, here we go. We're continuing to push. Here we go.
Nice. Oh. Let's mark this up real quick. So this was March last year, chat. Took 1, 2, 3 losses. The rest were all W's here. A lot of gold. So this was last year in March. So let's make it a better March this year.
Yo, Nick, question for you.
Yep.
Is yours underscore it's next door, or is it next door it's next door? Because there's like two popping up here on my shit for some reason.
It's the underscore's at the end.
Okay, so not in the front. Gotcha.
Morning, AJ. Morning, brother. FX all days in the house.
Oh my god.
Yeah, AJ was here yesterday too.
In a minute, bro.
Shout out to AJ. Yeah, chat. So last March was good. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 was our win streak. Took a loss, small 13 pip. Then we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Took 2 L's back to back. Was that the same day? No, back to back days. And then finished it. So we were 1, 2, 3.
Yo, morning, my man.
So 23 trades. So we were 20 for 23 last year in March. Well, we are still ripping up pretty nicely here. So I'm about 90% out of this position at this point, but looking good. So what time was that? Good old 9:30, right? So 9:30 a.m. Date is 3/03/01/23. That was gold. Buy. Haven't taken gold buy as much this year at all. That was a breakout. Oh, nice. We're pushing. Entry type. Current. Time frame. Man, that was based off the 30-minute here. Oh, baby, we're pushing. Pushing nicely here. Risk was full. Closed you know what? I'm gonna close another half right here. Right there. Closed 90% at let's see, what was it? Uncle Scalp, you on there? I don't know if Uncle Scalp's on the call. Closed 90 at 26 pips, basically. And haven't closed full yet, so we'll wait. Yesterday I was finally able to sleep during my swing trade. There you go. Proud of myself, even though I woke up out of my sleep a few times to check my phone. Sounds about right. Yeah, chat. I'm a close full. I'm gonna close full. 15's breaking the high. I'm gonna close full right here, right at this 1842 area. That's about 30 something pips. But good work today, chat. In and out. That was we got in at what, 9:33, 9:34? About a 15-minute trade. I'm heading off, guys. Thank you, Nick, for another great session. Great trade, everyone. We go again tomorrow. Yep. Peace out, George. Have a great day, brother. Have a great day. Thanks for coming by, my man. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome. Like it up, like it up. Oh, we got 22 here, 22 likes. Thanks, guys. Proud of y'all. We did it today. We did it. Yeah, I'm gonna close this trade here, right here, guys. Fully out. Dunzo. Dunzo. Later. And just like that, I don't see Uncle Scalp here. Yeah, we got news coming in. News coming in here. $15's bearish, $5's bearish. Yeah, that's gonna be the day. That is the day. So let's fix this. $26 and basically close full. Yeah, right around there. So 26 pips. 626. W. What's this? W, chat. W, rinse and repeat. Come back to the same thing tomorrow. What's your strategy? What up, Dave? It's good, Dave. Thanks for coming by here. Strategy is to show up, do the same thing every day. We do a little bit of scalping here. But yeah, basically waiting for closures, waiting for clean traffic to the left, closes above and below, and taking positions. Looking mainly, we like to hunt volume. We like to take positions when there's volume in the market, and we wait for candles to close above or below ranges, and then yeah, we find clean trading ranges, and that's what we trade. If you want to hear the full strategy, tune into the live streams every day. We're here Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. Eastern. We start, and we go over a lot of good stuff here on this stream. So maybe news can continue pushing us up. If you guys took that trade, take a picture of it, a video of it, tag me on Instagram. It's my IG right here. Right here. Doot, 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 doot. Going, gone. Oh, there we go. Got news coming in here in 5 minutes. What's my plan for today? Well, pretty much done now. That's pretty much it. Took an entry here at the break of this previous 30-minute high and took TP up here. And that was pretty much it. That zone has been tapped now. And that's the plan. The rest of the plan is to chill out, hang out with my wife, get some lunch, chill out with the kiddos, and that's it. Yeah, that's the plan. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom, baby. Pushing, pushing. Yeah, that's the plan for today. What are you up to today, AJ? FX all day. Who's still holding? Thank you, bro. Yeah, good trade, chat. Way to be patient today. Set 1846 is next here.
Alrighty, bro, I'm out of here. Have yourself a great day, player.
All right, Jay, you too, brother. Have a good one.
Later, man. Peace.
Later, homie.
So.
My family's sick right now, so I might just chill with them today at the house and take care of them. Yep, not a bad idea. Just paid the rent and paying some bills, then going to get some breakfast. Nice. Love that, bro. Love that. Another one. True FX, nice job. Beautiful. Yeah, y'all tag me on IG. If you guys took this trade, take a picture of it, post it on IG, and tag me. My handle's right here. It's Nick Stewart _. Let's see what the news does here. Where are we going? Where are we going on the daily here? Let's take a look. We're coming up into this area here, right? We still have that wick to fill. So let's see. What a rocket ship here, this daily candle. So we're coming close. Yeah, tag me in IG, I'll repost it. It's a nice trade though. Regular trade, nice pump. Just paid the rent. Here comes the news here in about 10 seconds. See what the news does, and then I'm gonna get up out of here. W's, chat. W day. Oh, nice. Do. Broke the high, pushed up right away. Probably gonna pop back down here. The best hindsight trader in history. Nice. Very nice. All right. That'll do it. That's going to be the day, chat. Thanks for stopping by. Sub to the channel, like the stream on the way out. That's going to be it. We'll be back here tomorrow morning. Beautiful trade here. We got about 52 pips all in all on that position. So it could still pump up, but I'm fully out of that position at this point. And yeah, I know. I seen you, not you, Dave. Thanks for letting us know. Yeah, savage. Thanks for sharing. All right, boys and girls. I will see y'all mañana, 7 a.m. Eastern. Peace.